channel. In the previous video we talked about the difference between a variable and a constant, but in this we did talk about that the variable they are placeholder which helps to hold values. Okay, and I remember we said the variables, they are flexible, while constant, they are rigid. So in this video, guys, we are going to be looking at functions. Then what is a function? What is a function? Okay, you can simply say a function is a block of code, okay, which is written, okay, or which can only execute when it is called upon. A function is a block of code or a program that is written by a computer programmer, and it only executes when it is called upon. So let's take a look how we can declare our function. Okay, you can declare your function in different way. Okay, you can declare your function using a constant, a variable. You can declare your function using different methods. Okay, so let's declare it using our variable. Okay, let's say var my function. Okay, the function name. Okay, function name, you can var. So here can be what? Okay, it can be like this. Okay, this one you're actually using your what? Your arrow function. Okay, you're using your what? Your arrow function here. Okay, but d is a variable. Okay, when you expand this thing, it's way more like this. Let's remove this equality sign. By default, this is how you declare your function, removing this guy. Okay, removing this guy. Okay, by default, this is how you declare your function. Okay, think function, yes, so something like this. Yeah, this is how you declare a function. Okay, let's start with this before you move to our arrow function or other ways we can declare our function. Okay, let's work with function. Remember, I say function, they are block of code, they don't execute until they are being called upon. Okay, let's say this function, my function, is going to what? Is going to show hello world. So like I said, log, then you press your tab key. Okay, so let's use single quote, hello world. Okay, take a look at it if it's going to load. Did you show anything? No, it's not going to work until you call it. How do you call it? Just say, use the function name. This, I think, is going to show us hello world. Okay, function don't work, they won't execute unless they are called upon. Function won't work unless they are called upon. Do not forget that. All right, so this is how you declare your function in your JavaScript file. Okay, or declare your function in JavaScript. Okay, this, I think, majorly many people, most people, they are used to this. Okay, how about if we want to use our variable name? Let's say let my function. Okay, we want to use the arrow function. Okay, let's try this. Okay, what is it saying? Expected. Yeah, this is our arrow function. Okay, your arrow function, this is how it works. Okay, this is how the arrow function work. Okay, so what you may want to do now, let's say log. Okay, hello world. Okay, it's going to show the same thing. Let's say my function. Oh, sorry, my function. Okay, let's see hello world. Okay, the function, you have to call it before it will display whatever be the code inside. Okay, so let's see something. Okay, what we want to do now, what we call parameters. Okay, that we call parameters and argument. We are going to be considering the parameter of functions now. All right, in other words, you can call them params. Okay, for example, I want to welcome a user. Okay, I want to welcome a user to my application. Let's write a function. Let's say is logged in. Oh, sorry, let's use this. Let's use const. Okay, let's use const. Okay, it's a function. We're using our arrow function, please. Let's say log. Okay, let's say welcome, you are logged in. Okay, we want to concatenate let's say let's say my name is a variable we need to declare, so pass is as a parameter here. Okay, so what you have to do now, let's clear this guy off. When we run this guy, nothing is going to show. Okay, nothing will show. It's going to show when we call that our function. Don't forget what's our function name is logged in. Who is logged in? You can say Charles Techie. Charles Techie is logged in, so it's going to show welcome, you are logged in, Charles Techie. Okay, let's see. Oh, hope you can see that. Yes, this is a parameter. Okay, this is a parameter. Let's over our mouse on it. What can you see? The parameter. Okay, it's a parameter. Okay, so you can use every other things in this your JS. Okay, every other things in this your JS using your function. Okay, this is another way you can create your function. I think there can be function inside a function. I don't know, I've not tried that. All right, so this, I think, friends, we're able to talk about using our variable as function, defining the function on its own without using a variable, and also using the arrow function. Okay, let's try to write a function to add two numbers. Okay, add two numbers. We are going to be using the arrow function from now on. Let's say sum 2. Okay, we want to add two numbers. Let's say num1. Let's say num1. Okay, then num2. We want to add two numbers. Okay, you can do it directly like this, but we don't want that. All right, so let's return. In function, try to use your return statement. Okay, return is arrow function. Yeah. Okay, return num1 plus num2. Okay, so let's say let's call our function now sum2. Let's say 5 plus 6, 5 plus 7. I think it should give us 12. Okay, let's see if it actually gives us 12. Nothing showed up. Oh, where is the problem? Okay, let's say okay, let's say oh shit, we need to log it to the console.log. Okay, let's see, should show 12. Oh, you can see that now. Okay, you can see that now. All right guys, thanks you for watching. I think this is all we have to talk about function now. All we have to talk function. In our next video, we are going to be talking about the operators in JavaScript, and we are going to be building some meaning program, like let's say we are going to be working with a program to check between odd and even numbers, and we may want to use function for that program. Thank